Xylem has been in China for over 30 years. Headquartered in Shanghai, we have sales offices in 10 major cities of China. More than 1,000 employees serving our customers directly or indirectly. In order to serve our customers better, we have built very strong local capabilities, including research, development, engineering, manufacturing, sourcing, and aftermarket services. Our manufacturing plants in Beijing, Shenyang, Nanjing, and Fuzhou enable us to deliver our world-class products and solutions timely, tailored to our customers' demand in China and emerging market regions. Today, we will have an opportunity of taking on on-site tours to our plants in Shenyang and Nanjing. Our Director of R&D and Engineering, Mr. He Wei, will introduce the development history of our local R&D and engineering center and its critical role in supporting the growth. As you may have learned from previous digital meetups with Xylem colleagues in other parts of the globe, that Xylem is advancing smart water technologies and digital solutions around the world. In China, we have built that into our growth strategy, and we are building local capabilities to help our customers solving water problems through digital transformation and smart water management technology. To provide customized solutions locally, we have also established an intelligent decision support center in Nanjing. The themes that we mainly focus on in China are water scarcity, the affordability of water, and resilience. Water scarcity is a big issue in China, especially when China is deepening its urbanization. It has an impact on economic development and people's well-being. With roughly 1/5 of global population residing in China, providing safe drinking water to over 1.4 billion people remains a challenge. About 110 cities in China suffer from water shortage due to different reasons. It is becoming one of the most challenging issues that hinder China's sustainable development. The second issue is the affordability of water. Many utilities in lower-tier cities don't have the adequate funding to invest in new water infrastructure, which is traditionally very expensive. While aging water infrastructures will impact water quality, which conversely intensifies the water scarcity. The third is resilience. Like Europe and many other cities and countries in the world, China is facing the similar impacts on resilience from climate change. In recent years, we are getting floods or storms even more frequently, and this has a huge impact on our current water resources management and water infrastructure maintenance. We feel that we have the responsibility to protect the environment we live in, and we have a critical role to play to address these issues. Xylem's solutions serve the whole water cycle, from transport, treatment, and test water and wastewater to water application in industrial, commercial, and residential buildings, and in agriculture. Accelerating to intelligent decision-making support for water utilities intended to help utility agencies spend less by making existing infrastructure smarter and more efficient. Let's welcome Henry Yuan, our sales leader of Advanced Infrastructure Analytics. He will bring us to the newly established Intelligent Decision Support Center in Nanjing and introduce Xylem's smart water technology and our best practices in China.
China has a vast territory and even distribution of water resources. However, with the continuous improvement of urban living standard, the requirement for safe water are increasing. To fulfill the requirement, many super projects, like cross-regional water transport projects and water resources construction projects, are springing up. In respective Xylem view, digital solutions are used to provide Xylem's overview intelligent decision solution for customers and realize digital and intelligent water management. Besides, we have safety monitoring and condition assessment solutions for long-distance pipeline, which can safeguard the water supply. The Huinanzhuang Pumping Station, Daning Basin Emergency Water Supply Project, which is located at Beijing-Shijiazhuang segment of the middle loop of the South to North Water Transfer Project, adopts the dual-line pre-stressed concrete cylinder pipes of 4-meter diameter of total length is 112 kilometers. Since the water transmission started in September 2008, South to North middle line has already transmitted 4.3 billion cubic meter water to Beijing. In 2015, Xylem installed the Xylem's Soundprint AFO PCCP wide brake safety pre-alarm monitoring system at the tail end of the right loop of the works. which is used to continuously monitoring the white breaks in the PCCP because white flow increased to 2.4 meters per second to meet large water demand. The client could receive monitoring results remotely and take countermeasures proactively. Soundprint airflow system could be installed into the water pipeline or full pipeline without interfering its operation. Cables were installed in the PCCP could collect real-time data and grasp white changes in different operation conditions, then transmit acoustic event to the duct. Those collected data will be filtered and be transmitted to the monitoring platform if it is a suspected white break. Data analysts could remotely analyze monitoring data with in-field system independently. Based on the monitoring results, our customer could understand PCCP conditions in different phases or formulate maintenance plan for repairing and replacing pipe. With further investigation on the PCCP condition and airflow results, Xylem's intelligent solution could offer customer with data-driven advice on important infrastructure management, securing stable and safe operation of such significant works. In Nanjing, we set up Xylem Intelligent Decision Support Center, which will support the development of Xylem's intelligent and decision solution in China by establishing a data storage and analysis platform, undertaking all domestic data storage and analysis tasks, and realizing the monitoring and optimization of pipe network and water assets. If any of you come to China in the future, welcome to visit our Nanjing Intelligence Center.
Hello everyone, I'm Maggie from marketing. Here's the product demonstration area in the Shanghai office. Those products behind me have been produced for domestic and international customers for years. How are they exempt? How does manufacturing machine work? Next, let's walk into our plants in Shenyang and Nanjing to have a close look.
赛莱默水处理系统沈阳有限公司是赛莱默全球在水输送、水处理及水排放领域最具实力的生产基地。赛莱默沈阳拥有世界先进的数控加工中心、自动清洗、压装、喷漆、包装设备，高精密的3坐标检验和测量设备，专业的水泵和搅拌器测试中心。 先进的臭氧发生器生产和测试车间，为客户提供高品质的标准化和定制化产品以及水技术解决方案。主要产品包括微粒潜水泵、搅拌器、威德高臭氧发生器、POM、Macro 系列一体化泵站。我们也是赛莱默全球的零部件、备件生产和供应基地。 赛莱默沈阳一直奉行零缺陷的质量管理理念，取得了 ISO 9001质量管理体系、ISO 14001环境管理体系、OSAS 18001职业健康和安全管理体系、ISO 50001能源管理体系认证和清洁工厂证书。 从1995年第一台水泵下线到2018年产量累计突破30万台，赛莱默沈阳努力进取，精益求精，确保赛莱默的产品质量保持在行业领先的5西格玛水平。精益就是消除浪费，是我们持续改进的法宝。在赛莱默沈阳，精益 体现在每个生产环节，从空间的利用到人员的多技能，从物料、机器的摆放到拉系统、单件流等方面，不断优化流程、方法和设计，以消除不必要的浪费，提高效率。
As the world's leading water technology supplier, Xylem committed to water protection and reclamation. Implement philosophy of every drop counts with innovative water technology solutions. The construction of the omnidirectional self-supply water circulation system made undeniable contributions to Nanjing Garden Factory. System combined with access control and security protection, video surveillance, intelligent water supply and remote control, integrated intelligent pump house, along with various sophisticated equipment of Xylem, secure the safety of clean water for community. Xylem Nanjing, built with a pure water station using ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, and ultraviolet disinfection. Ensure everyone here to have access to safe and clean water. With continuous exploration and proactive innovation employees, Xylem Nanjing approaches new targets on the way to intelligent manufacturer and sustainability. Rainwater collection for irrigation. Sewage treatment for water recycling. Water circulation is used throughout Xylem Nanjing. Face the world's water scarcity. Nanjing plant, start from her own. Never forget why we start and move forward bravely. Watermark activities are carried out everywhere, in schools, in scenic spots, in parks, in our plants, everywhere with our environmental footprints. Water, origin of Xylem dreams. Touch the heart of our purpose. We believe in Drive to Green is a good choice in Xylem Nanjing for our commitment to the world.
Hi guys! Welcome back to the Shanghai office. Now you have seen our plants, the assembling lines, the paint spraying machines, and the test centers. Is that cool to you? As a smart water technology provider, innovation is the gene in the blood of Xylem. How does Xylem help China manage the essential of life with innovative technologies? Let's move to the next stop of today's journey and have a chat with Mr. He Wei, Director of R&D and Engineering.
Xylem China Research Development and Engineering Center, formerly known as China Tech Center, was firstly established in 2008 in ITT area and located in the Liuhe district of Nanjing, together with manufacturing plant in Nanjing. RDE Center is committed to building an Asia-Pacific operation and technology center to serve the entire Southeast Asian market. With the establishment of Xylem China in 2011, in order to better serve the business growth in China, RDE Center was shifted to Shanghai at the end of 2011 to get closer to the sales and market team and to be conducive to the introduction and training of talents. Our RDE Center is rooted in China and mainly serves at China business growth. It cooperates more closely with the local market and sales. Its main function includes new product development for local market, introduction and localization of new products from other GC, enhance competitiveness and the capability of local products through value engineering, execution of water treatment projects, including the design, drawing bombs, and field commissioning, control new products development process and manage product safety and local patents, provide technical support for customized orders and quality issues. After several years development, we have more than 50 engineers. Comparing with at the beginning, we only have less than 20 people. Our RDE center is divided into 4 teams. They are pump and mechanical design team, electrical and software development team, package solution development team, and the wastewater treatment process development team. In China, every utility company and governing bodies is very eager to understand what's the best technology and how it works. That's also interesting is that the customers are very focused on quality and are deeply committed to debunking the stereotype that Chinese products are cheaper and poor quality. I think that's something we can be very proud of. China has gone from being seen as a nation just copy other products to a hotbed of innovation. A lot of money is flowing into solving big problems today, and that's subsequently channeling a lot of talents into innovation sectors. Xylem China is also navigating the innovation in the industry. For example, in 2013, we developed TOP. That's an integrated rainwater and sewage water pumping station with local characteristics. That achieves very good market results. It not only generates nearly $15 million yearly income for us, but also has won Xylem Global President Innovation Award. Another successful example is intelligent pump housing we launched last year and met the demand of China's secondary water supply market very well. We achieved a sales amount of nearly $2 million and we won Xylem Emerging Market Product Innovation Award. Next, I would like to introduce RDE Manager Mr. Chen Mi, who is the leader for intelligent pump housing development, to give you more introduction about this new product.
Hello everyone, my name is Mi Chen, Development Manager from China RDE. Today, I'm going to take a few minutes to show you an exciting product we have developed in China. It is what we so-called intelligent pump house. Traditionally, the pump house in China was owned by a property developer. It posed many issues, such as unstable water pressure, lack of maintenance, low energy efficiency of pumps. Starting the year for 2018, China government has decided to transfer the ownership of the pump house from property developer to state-owned water group. It was at that time we immediately identified that it could be the opportunity for us to work with our new client with something that could be beneficial to them. We then set up a project team to work closely with our potential client, having a deep understanding on their needs, how they want to operate and manage the pump house, what would be their ideal pump house looks like, and what are the challenges they are facing. With valuable information we collected from voice of a customer, we then started to look for various solutions for our engineering design. In just several months, we managed to have our first prototype ready with well-considered key differentiators. I will just name a couple of them here. Firstly, apart from our traditional equipment and pump selling, we present our client with a turnkey package. That's everything they will need for a modernized pump house. It consists of 6 standardized modules, including pressure booster, water tank, security system, water quality monitoring system, and UV disinfection systems. It could be all in a concrete buildings or in a containerized tank, depending on the footprint of the specific job site. Secondly, we turned the traditional pump house into an intelligent one by embedding newest technology. For instance, the booster comes with our newly developed control algorithms. To achieve better energy saving, smart sensors are used to collect the equipment status. Those data are digitalized through edge computer device and further transferred to our cloud-based pumping platform through IoT and 4G technology. From there, operator is able to monitor all the equipment of the pump house through their cell phone remotely, which makes their life a lot easier, especially in the pandemic period. Furthermore, based on the data we have collected, we build our database and a scoring system to help clients evaluate if their pump house is operated in the optimized situation and provide them with our technical recommendations. As soon as this product was released, it was soon got our clients' attention and has been installed in many of our residential buildings across the country to deliver residents with clean and safe water.
Xylem China RDE Center is not only constantly introducing the new local products, but also attaching a great importance to the accumulation of expertise and the protection of intellectual property rights. Up to now, we have granted more than 30 patents, including 7 patents for invention, 23 patents for utility, and 3 patents for product appearance. We also have been granted 10 software copyrights. These accomplishments have laid a solid foundation for us to continue our exploration and innovation that will help us to achieve more development in R&D and definitely achieve more business growth in China. We have seen the booming of application of innovative technology in the water sector, and the customer demands on intelligent solutions are increasing. However, we have also seen how hard it is and our customer to adopt digital solution quickly. They are facing roadblocks. That's why we are now forming a new advanced technology team to help them changing needs of customer and provide them with a strong technical support and a very down-to-earth new products. Every year, we launch many new products in different areas. On one hand, to make contribution to our business growth. On the other hand, we help our customer to overcome their challenges.